kitchen design done right first, you have your dream home all worked out. The plans are made and you have the land. It has been a long process and all city ordinances have been met. After all that effort, the same caliber of attention should be given to each stage of construction. Each room should be made the absolute best. You designed a beautiful kitchen, so make sure the construction is up to par with the aesthetics you have in mind. Just like having an architect give the final approval of a house plan, the same should be considered with a certified professional for your plumbing. Depending on where your house is built can greatly affect the amount of water pressure available. A knowledgeable plumbing company representative can give you suggestions and direction as to how to resolve and prevent uncomfortable situations. If water pressure tends to be low, he or she can suggest various pump systems to remedy the issue. Along with checking the layout of your plumbing before laying it down, why not compare the overall layout of your kitchen with those of other plans that have been constructed already? Take a look at similar attributes of other plans and walk through those houses that are available. For example, the sink you always wanted may in the end clash with the amount of counter space you wanted. Or perhaps having a center island countertop, stove area in the end crowds the space too much. Taking time to really look at your kitchen design will save you avoidable inconvenience when you are living in it.